What's going on YouTube? This is your boy The Vintage Man back with another video, and today I have a very informative video for whoever wants to shop with StockX, whether it be handbags, sneakers, watches, whatever you are searching on the site. And I'm gonna give you guys a little update on what happened with those Retro 3 Quad 54s that they sold me. As you guys do know, they had a major crease in the toe box and it had some mud on the bottom of the shoe. And I'll let you guys know what happened, what was the process with me sending them back and stuff like that. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe right now and hit the notification bell for your boy. Like the video right now. To go for every video is 200 likes, man. So if you watch this right now, hit that like button right now for your boy. That really helps the channel grow, and it shows YouTube you guys are really enjoying the content. We're right around the corner from that 25K, man, so help your boy out. And also, please take advantage of the Air Jordan 1 Court Purple 2.0 giveaway that we have going on, and it will be ending April the 3rd. I will have the winner announced, so head over to IG and take advantage of that giveaway. Unlimited entries. And as you guys can see, man, we have a lot of early sneakers over here, man. We have the DMP 6s, we have the Flint 13s, the Fire Red 5s, the Court Purple 2.0s. All of them have not been released yet, so make sure you go check out the review and on feet over all of those sneakers. So let me know how you feeling about some of these sneakers releasing in 2020. And I also dropped a video talking about the releases getting pushed back and stuff like that recently, so make sure you check that out and get some information on how Jordan Brand is going to release these sneakers once everything gets back to normal. So with all that being said, man, let's jump right into this video talking about StockX, man. Let's get it. Alright, so as you guys do know, last week I dropped a video, I did an unboxing. I was just showing you guys what I had caught from StockX, and I was gonna do it on feet for you guys. And as you guys seen, I opened the box, I pulled out the shoe, and I was like, man, I was super excited I got the shoe. But then I turned around, looked at the toe box, and I seen like the shoestrings and stuff all messed up. I seen a major crease, man. I was like, whoa, what is this? What is going on with this sneaker? I know somebody has worn it. So immediately I was shocked, and you guys seen that in the video. If you have not checked that video out yet, man, make sure you go check it out. And then I checked out the other shoe, and it had mud on the bottom of it. I was like, what is going on with these sneakers, man? I was like, this cannot be real. I know it's gonna be a lot of people that thought I was trolling StockX, but I was not. So immediately after that video, I emailed StockX, and I have all the emails right here that I'm gonna read off for you guys to let you guys know what happens if you feel like your shoes are worn or defected or anything like that. So the first thing I did was hit up StockX, and I was like, yo, I got some shoes that was worn. It has a huge crease in the toe box. It has some mud on the other shoe as well. And this is the response I got from StockX.
Thanks for reaching out. We're sorry to hear that you're unsatisfied with the item you received from StockX. Please send photos of the issue you're referring to so we can review it, and make sure the verification tag is still on.
And I've heard this in the past, like if you cut off the verification tag, you can't send them back to StockX at all. So I made sure I kept it on, I took the pictures and stuff like that, and I sent it to him. And then this is the response I got. And I was so shocked that they told me this.
Thanks for providing me with the photos of the QR code tag and the issues of the shoe.
So he acknowledged the issues of the shoe, or whoever was reading these emails and looking at the photos. It said, after looking at the photos provided, I noticed that this pair is within the production standards for the Jordan 3 Quad 54 and was clear for retail release. We unfortunately do not have control over the manufacturer's production standards and must work with the products that are cleared for release. The common manufacturer variances you are referring to on the shoe occurs when shoes are mass produced in large quantities. Please keep in mind that the material these shoes are made up of may look wrinkled since it's tumbled leather. I understand that you are a buyer and may have known that some shoes may come with different variances but meet production standards. If you don't wish to keep the shoes, you can relist the item for sale as long as the item is the same condition that we sent it to you in. We value you as a customer here at StockX and hope to see you buy more in the future. Bro, I'm not gonna lie, like I said, I'm not bashing the StockX or anything like that. I was just shocked that they told me this. As you guys seen in the video, if you haven't checked it out, please go check it out. They told me to relist the shoe and send it. So after they sent me the email, I sent the email back pretty much saying, do you not see the mud on the bottom of the shoe and the huge crease in the toe box? When you sell the shoe, they ask you if the shoe is 100% unworn and 100% authentic. And they responded and said, it is stated in our frequently asked questions that we allow sellers to list and sell shoes that they have been tried on but not worn. I was like, if a shoe is tried on, that means that a person wore the sneaker. So I was a little confused on that. And the last thing they told me was, if you choose to sell them, please reach back out to them and let us know so they can honor the sale. I was like, bro, y'all pretty much don't want to say that y'all are refunding me my money. Y'all want to get the shoe back, and they probably gonna relist it again and sell it to somebody else. Because as soon as I relisted the item for the ask that I wanted, instantly I got an email verification the same day, and I got the shipping label and stuff like that, and I went to drop it off to StockX. I was like, man, this is crazy. I can't believe this. I think StockX wanted to keep everything well between me and StockX as far as me buying shoes in the future. Because if I had a company and somebody was very, you know what I'm saying, dissatisfied in what they got and received, I would definitely try to do whatever I can to try to keep them on board with the future of my company. So I feel like that's what they did there, and we're telling me let them know when I listed so they can honor the sale. So if you guys have been following along with this story I've been telling you guys, you kind of see where StockX kind of know the shoe was defective. They seen the photos, it was clear even in the video. And long story short, list the item, we're gonna buy the shoe right back. That's why I said I didn't want to come on here bashing StockX or anything like that. I would never do that to a company. I feel like they handled it well, but I was still shocked that if I didn't keep sending them emails and stuff like that, I wonder if they would have even honored my sale to get the shoes back. But I feel like it's gonna be a part 3 to this video because the shoe is on the way to StockX now. And once I get the money in my account, that's when I'm gonna know they really are trying to satisfy me as a customer. But with me sending them the emails, sending them pictures, and them responding back, I felt good about that as far as communication wise. And StockX kind of agreed with me with the shoe having that huge crease in the toe box and the mud on the bottom of the shoe. So all in all, guys, don't be scared. That was my first time ever getting that type of shoe from StockX. I have bought plenty other sneakers from StockX, and I have sold plenty of shoes to StockX as well. So you can take this video how you want it. Hopefully I informed you a lot on what happens if you get a defective sneaker or anything like that, and know that you can try on a shoe, but it can't be worn. So I guess them saying that worn means you can't like wear them outside, have mud on the bottom of the shoe, have super huge creases in the toe box and stuff like that, but you can try a shoe on and you can sell it back to StockX being 100% dead stock. All right, man, that is it for the story. That is what happened with StockX. Like I said, I'm gonna let you guys know when the money hits my PayPal account to make sure everything went through, to make sure they actually honored my sale for me to send them back to StockX. It is scheduled for delivery to get to StockX on Tuesday, so make sure you have the notification bell on so I can let you guys know what happened. I appreciate everybody for tuning in. I hope everybody that came to this video learned a little bit more about StockX, and now you know that you can try on the shoe and sell them to StockX 100% dead stock, which I did not know at all. Make sure you guys subscribe if you have not subscribed already. Hit that like button and ring notification bell for your boys to never miss another video, live stream, or anything that drops from the channel. And follow me over on IG and take advantage of the Air Jordan 1 Core Purple 2.0 giveaway. Don't be worried if you do not win this giveaway. Gonna be more giveaways to come. The more the channel grows, the more I can give back to my supporters. I appreciate all of the support. Thank you guys for pulling up to this video. If you have ever had any issues with StockX, let me know them down below in the comment section below and try to help you out as best as I can. So all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Peace.